We are starting with some breaking news coming in. The resident doctors are now staging a protest at Sir Gangaram Hospital in New Delhi over the NEET PG counselling issue. The protesters claim this delay is not only adversely affecting their future career but also interfering in patient care. Let me also go across to Ananya, who's also joining us live from the Sir Gangaram Hospital in the national capital. Yes, Ananya, take us through some of the voices there and also what are their demands like, because remember, these are resident doctors staging this protest in the hospital over the NEET PG counselling issue.
Justice! Justice! Well, yes, Richa, you can see, and I'll ask my camera person Manish to show you the visuals. The doctors are constantly protesting against this NEET PG counselling being delayed. I'll also try to speak to some of the doctors out here. What's your name?
Dr. Sudhir.
Dr. Sudhir, the NEET PG counselling had been delayed. What repercussions would it have? Because we are seeing a third wave also in picture.
Sir, the problem is twofold. Firstly, you're not thinking about the students who are waiting for the counselling. That is also a problem. A student has wasted 1 full year. They have gone, एक account में बहुत
All right, so those were the voices coming in from the national capital, where resident doctors are currently staging a protest at Sir Gangaram Hospital in New Delhi over the NEET PG counselling issue. The protesters claim that this delay is not only adversely affecting their future career but also interfering in patient care. And we have the images coming in of Delhi's doctors that are staging this protest that continue this time in Sir Gangaram Hospital with placards. They are speaking about how they feel exhausted, specifically at such times of a pandemic that the country is going through. And these are the first images on our screen of the doctors' strike that continues in the national capital, this time at Sir Gangaram Hospital in New Delhi over the NEET PG counselling issue. The protesters claim this delay is not only adversely affecting their future careers but also interfering in patient care. And remember, several of these doctors just a few days ago had met with the Union Health Minister, much to any result that could come out of that meeting so far.